So if you people want to enter into the pharmaceutical industry, you have to start now itself. You have already delayed to acquire the skills required in the pharmaceutical industry, along with obtaining your essential qualification degree. Otherwise, you all have written that 3.8 lakhs will be unemployed. There is no unemployment. I am telling you the fact. When we will end this workshop, all of you will say ki sir, my future is very bright. I have no fear of not getting the job. No one will write ki there is an unemployment in the country. There is a lack of skilled manpower. Every student is moving here and there with only essential qualification. That is not going to help for the job and career, and ultimately the ambition of your papa, mummy and teachers. Now this is one of the industry which most of us looking for, and I have run through the process of interview, entering into industry, how you can enter into the industry, how you can start a dignified job, and how you can grow in your career. And ultimate objective is fulfill the dreams of your papa, mummy and teachers. Never forget this sentence. Okay, you have seen that video. What is the message you are taking to home? There is no unemployment, there is no lack of opportunities, nothing to fear that what will happen to you. The only thing is what you have to do, you have to start thinking your destination. What is your interest? Whether you want to go Jaipur, whether you want to go Pune or Bangalore. And based on that, you start acquiring the skill set right now. Because if you will not start now, you will not start afterwards also. Don't wait that you will be, when you will acquire skills, when you reach to final semester or after BSc, MSc, BPharm, MPharm, MTech. You start acquiring skill. As much skills you will acquire now, they will going to help you at the moment when you get the degree. Do you know? अगर आप लोग अभी स्किल लेना चालू कर दोगे तो वो जो 3-4 लोग मोहल्ले के हैं ना जो हमेशा पूछते हैं कि क्या कर रहे हो बेटा, the day your result will be declared, your papa mummy will get 2 packets of sweets, one for your degree and one for your offer letter, and they will call कि आओ भैया मेरा बेटा क्या कर रहा है मैं बताता हूँ, आओ तुम मेरे को फोन करके पूछते थे ना कि क्या कर रहा है तुम्हारी बेटी. The only thing is that you have to introspect yourself, your interest, start acquiring the skills right now. And I am telling you the fact, getting these skills are not very expensive and difficult. Our new batches are starting in June. You can note down the number. This is our number 83181-27735. And you, based on your interest, where do you want to go, you can start acquiring skills along with your degrees, and the moment you complete your final examinations, we take the guarantee of getting you a very good placement based on your interest of work, where you are happy to work, where you build your career, and where you are able to fulfill the dreams or ambitions of your mummy, papa and teachers.